You may be surprised to learn that late winter and early spring can be an effective time to overseed cover crops or forages. Frost seeding is a low-cost and low-disturbance technique that broadcasts seed onto a field or pasture as they head into warmer spring months. During this time, the soil goes through freeze-thaw cycles, causing its surface to expand and contract, creating cracks and small openings that allow the seed to work into the soil. Clovers are most associated with frost seeding, but grasses have also seen success with this method. Think of small-seeded species that will germinate quickly and can handle cooler weather. Mowing or grazing the existing pasture can help control plant competition and improve the establishment of the frost-seeded species. This practice can generate significant benefits for all types of growers and producers. For livestock producers, adding clover to their grasses will improve the energy and protein content of the pasture, resulting in greater animal performance while also mitigating fescue toxicosis. Growers can utilize this method for a late cover crop to combat spring erosion in their fields. Both would benefit from any nitrogen fixation that results from a frost-seeded legume. Additionally, clovers can provide floral resources for pollinators in the area come the later spring months. Thanks to a rapid response grant from the USDA, a team formed by A&T State Extension will conduct a project to frost seed fields and pastures affected by Hurricane Helene in western North Carolina. The team will rely on drones to access impacted areas to frost seed in late winter to early spring of 2025 and hope to work with multiple types of producers and growers. The goals are to establish cover crops on fields, provide additional spring grazing for livestock, and reestablish pollinator food sources lost during the event. The project will also assess whether frost seeding is improved in pastures when followed by bale grazing. The team includes Rob Austin, John Cothran, Peyton Duckett, Kyla Jo Farmer, Austin Menker, Seth Nagy, and Miguel Castillo. They will be working closely with county agents to identify candidates for participation. Follow this link to learn more about the project and to track its progress through the coming months.